We all make choices. And hacking the school gate was Kai's way of proving he was, somebody.
Oh, the little boys are playing.
Kai, are you serious? Again, it's not funny. Open it now.
Didn't impress me. I knew he had way more talent than that. Definitely. I knew it. Everyone knew it. Except him.
Okay, people. Not that gag again, Kai. Perhaps you need to try something more original, yeah? Hacking the school gate. Not really that clever or funny, is it?
If he did something serious, it might just be half good.
Maybe the school should expel him. I mean, that's what his last one did.
And his primary school.
If you do it again, I will report you to the head. What if it had been Mr. Kendrick? Hey, you're already on how many warnings?
If they put him in jail, would they let me keep filming him, do you think? Because he'd hack his way out. Wouldn't he, Kai? He would.
Okay, let's learn something, shall we, people? Connor, when you're a famous YouTuber or Insta star or whatever it is they call it, you can credit how much my classes did for you.
That's why I called him a loser.
You really doing a documentary about Kai?
Sort of. Yeah, why not?
Yeah, and you can start a Kai meme and go viral.
You serious?
When am I ever serious?
If they got together, that'd be great in the documentary.
Those two? Never. She's serious about her future. I mean, a girl who's going into coding has to be. For Kai, it's like easy. He has the talent, but he hasn't got the interest or ideas. Do you know what I mean? Now she has the ideas. Like this new app she's building.
Lauren, building an app, like, for real?
Yeah, it's proper clever. Don't insult her app. Now that's a TV show, Connor. Make that a show. And I'll do the music, just keyboard.
I tried saying something, tried getting through to Kai, but he didn't have the confidence in himself.
Are you planning on doing something other than playing with your online mates in your bedroom tonight?
No.
You could lie to me, Kai.
Lie?
No, I'm clubbing tonight with my group. That kind of lying.
I'm not in a group.
Listen, be honest. Are you doing that booter and stresser stuff?
Nah.
Alicia's brother says different.
So what if I have?
Well, that's for kids. And illegal.
Yeah, well, I haven't been. And everyone else does it.
Kai, did Alicia tell you her brother got a visit from the police?
Who did?
Alicia's brother. Like I said, he was knocking people offline and started getting into other things. It's a dead end, Kai.
I know that.
Do you? Really? Are you on social media yet?
No. I can't be bothered with it.
Oh, get a life, Kai. Do you hear me? Get a life.
Getting a life for Kai was all about being the big bad man online, deep down in the dark web or wherever. I mean, he knew what was legal and what wasn't, but he felt safe behind them screens, like he was cut off from the real world. It was a game, and it wasn't a game. This was the moment he could choose. Real life or the dark side. A future or no future. Every choice has its consequences.
Hello? Hi. Yeah, no, I wasn't asleep, no. Your app, okay, sure. Okay, yeah. Where? Alicia's what? Garage, okay. Yeah. No, 9 a.m. isn't early, no. Okay. Okay then, see ya.
But what if you make the wrong choice?
Switch off, Kai. Time to go to bed now.
Kai wasn't choosing for himself, but for us too. I never realised my future depended so much on someone else's choices.
Oh, Kai. I thought you weren't coming. He's not answering.
Like you said, Lauren, loser.
So this app.
My app.
It's a new way of tracking a girl's period.
Shut up, Alicia!
I got that look. Brilliant.
Well, those apps really exist.
Yeah, no. But this app is different. You know, it's never been done before. It's top secret, right?
Yeah, of course.
On pain of...
Don't you mess with Lauren, do you hear, Kai?
It's like life just ran away from him.
Kai, you've got to keep up with the work.
Yeah, all right, I know.
What's wrong? Is everything okay at home?
Yeah, everything's okay.
Great. That hotel booking app I used just got hacked. Just put my card details into it too. How's that work, eh?
What, you can't film this?
But it's for the documentary about how you get rich.
Oh. Yeah, okay.
Confident, I'll give you that. It's a good idea. A really good idea. You two came up with this.
It was Lauren's idea, I just helped with the coding.
What a modest boy.
Listen, I know some people.
I'm like,
Nervous.
no, well, yeah, what if they don't like your app?
Our app, Kai. This is our app. And if they don't like it, then that's their problem, isn't it? Hey.
Detention's over.
Okay.
Kai, there's only so much I can do for you, Kai. It's your life. It's up to you. From now on, it's up to you. Okay?
Yeah, it was up to him. And he'd chosen something he just couldn't control. And it got worse. Way worse. Connor was worried. We were all worried.
It's like your 5th detention in 2 weeks.
So?
They're gonna kick you out. You know that, right?
So?
What are you gonna do?
Be the kind of hacker who takes down power grids and stuff.
A criminal who puts people's lives at risk. Well, that's exactly what he did.
Yeah, they hacked some electricity supplier and knocked out a substation. Power went
That
out
mission
across the
he
whole
chose
town.
to accept was a hack on a power company. It caused chaos and danger in a town Kai'd never even heard of. It's like we can be heading to two different futures at the same time.
Hi.
Hi!
Thank you.
Great, thank you. So nice to meet you.
One's got all you dare to hope for, and maybe even more. And the other has everything you ever feared.
Across the town and businesses ground to a halt. And it wasn't a power surge and it wasn't a technical failure, but a deliberate, orchestrated ransomware attack designed to extort a local power company. Now, police believe that an international gang, aided by a hacker in this country, delivered the fatal code. And of course, a cyber attack of this nature can lead to life in prison.
Get out here now, Kai.
Police
What have you
are
done?
investigating.
As I'm sure most of you will have noticed, Kai isn't with us today and he's not going to be with us for the foreseeable future. It's not something that we can discuss in lesson, but if anyone needs to talk about it after class, I'm here. Just let me know.
Guys, shush, shush. Hello? Oh, hi, yeah. Oh, that's brilliant. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Thanks for letting us know. Bye. Bye. We did it. We got it. We got the contract.
This is serious. Like a serious contract.
Like a serious contract, yeah.
For that app, your light app.
Mine and Kai's style app that might just get like a lot of cash, yeah. Oh, I can't believe it. You okay?
Yeah. I'm glad I took your call that night.
You made the right decision, Kai. And I hope you make the right decision too.